CRVO stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is CervoMed stock buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented on what's working, what's not, every single day for 5 years. And how this went was very good, you know. At the beginning was a whole full-on winner, and then break-evens got hit because he came down right yet again. And how this turned out to be is that it consolidated and I just kind of abandoned the ticker. So with this in mind, I mean, this is just a quick little long that I got there. Yeah, bro, but this is just like it's all over the place. If you like really stick to the ranges, this would be the demand zone that technically I would look for buys from. And yeah, well, it would make sense, but it just must give me that shift, you know. It must give me that double break, and if it doesn't happen, then I guess I'm not buying. All I'm doing in the meantime, I'm waiting for rules to be met. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.